चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
We have some big breaking news coming in. RSS BJP Coordination Committee meeting scheduled to be held in Kerala. It has been called on the 31st July and it will continue till the 2nd of August. In Kerala, the new BJP president, Home Minister, Defence Minister, Finance Minister, HRD Minister, Culture Ministers to be present from the BJP, and complete top brass of the RSS will also be part of the meeting. In fact, full coordinate action committee meeting of RSS and BJP has been scheduled on the 31st of July. This is the big breaking news that we are currently tracking at the moment. RSS and BJP coordination committee meeting has been called on 31st of July and it will continue till 2nd August in Kerala. The new BJP president, Home Minister, Defence Minister, Finance Minister, HRD Minister and Culture Ministers will be present, and they will be from the BJP, and complete top brass of the RSS is also expected to attend the full coordination committee meeting between the RSS and the BJP. It's indeed a big meeting has been planned by the BJP and the RSS as well. It will be held from 31st July to the 2nd of August in Kerala, and all the top faces will be part of the meeting. Viewers, amid the ongoing internal strife within the Indie Bloc, Congress MP Kumari Selja from Sirsa acknowledged factionalism within the Haryana Congress unit, and the BJP, on the meanwhile, has seized the opportunity to critique the opposition, asserting that the alliance is in disarray, and fired a tukre jibe at the Indie Bloc.
Days after the Lok Sabha elections concluded, infighting within the Indie alliance continues. Congress MP from Sirsa, Kumari Selja, has admitted to factionalism in the Haryana unit of the party. She denied any open rift within the party and said that factionalism was natural in politics.
देखो गुटबाजी स्वाभाविक है, गुटबाजी होती है और है। अब इसको मैं कैसे कहूँ कि नहीं है भाई, तो ये तो है और होती है। लेकिन बात ये है, चुनाव जब लड़ते हैं आप ठीक से लड़ते हैं, लड़ा है। टिकटों में जरूर मेरी समझ से हम बेहतर कर सकते हैं। कई जगह आपको दिख भी रहा है, थोड़ा हम अगर अपने राज्य की ओर ध्यान दे देते और कैंडिडेट इंपोर्ट करने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी? क्या हमारे राज्य में कैंडिडेट नहीं है? लेकिन अब हो गई बात, ये देखना पड़ेगा, अब इससे सीखे भाई, सीखना पड़ेगा। तेरा मेरा अगर हम करते रह जाएंगे